Good morning. So as you can see, we're back on Chasamba with the second piece of the bimmy roof. We're just trying it for size. See how it looks. I suppose it'll look okay once it's all clamped down. That's part 2 of our roof installation. It's not finished yet by any means. We'll come back tomorrow with bits and pieces. Some of these pipe clips, we buy some of them. That way the roof's level instead of like dipping in the middle. And once we've got it clamped down, we're happy with it, then we'll need to seal the joint with some fiberglass on the top. And underneath we'll probably run in some sealant just to finish it off. We've also got some of the sharp edges on the corners to round off, and once that's done we'll get it painted. And so hopefully this coming week we can get on with this, weather permitting. Weather's not that good here just now, but yeah, so far so good. Yeah, it looks okay. So, watch my finger, eh? Okay. In case you're wondering why we're not using the battery drill to do the bigger holes, is because this battery drill is shite and the battery life in it's terrible. So we'll just drill the pilot holes with the battery and then use the old-fashioned brace for the bigger holes. So where Randy's hand is just now, there's a bit of an abnormality there. We could probably hide that with the panel. You managed to push that in, right? No, it's not going to stay, is it? It's not going to stay. Anyway, not to worry, not to worry. It is what it is. First time we've done this. So yeah, we've still got some work to do. We've got these sharp edges to round off. Probably do that tomorrow, and yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. So because one of the roof panels that we fabricated was a little warped, and so it wasn't very straight, which would have made it a bit difficult to make a join between the two panels. So Randy came up with a improvising idea, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully that's going to work. Well, we'll see when we cut the wood away, so we will. Also, one of the panels was slightly a bit higher than the other, near the center. So what we've done is we've got the an adjustable bolt hook. Pushed it up. We'll leave that in place while that gets fiberglassed on the top, and we'll take it away once it dries. case you're wondering about the silly hat, the silly hat is serving a purpose today. Yesterday I got my top of my head all sunburnt, or my baboon's bum got burnt yesterday, and it's a little bit tender. So silly hat today is a must. So as you can see, we pretty much completed the fabrication of the roof. We're just giving it a clean off with thinners before we apply primer coat of paint. So it looks okay, looks okay. Of course the paint will hide any mistakes. No mistakes around here. No. Forgot how bad this is. Smells.
Strong.
Strong, eh?
Same as the white.
Yeah. Well, it's polyurethane, that's why it smells bad. It's strong. So, first coat, grey primer. It's a big area to cover. You got to move pretty quick. So we'll let that dry for an hour and apply a second coat. So far, so good. So in case you're wondering what I'm doing, we've marked out on the roof where the solar panel is going to go on this port side. So before we give it the final coat of gloss white, we're going to just mark out where the panels go, get the holes drilled, set a panel up and see what it looks like. Should be okay. Right, so we've put these brackets on, which is going to hold up the solar panel. Randy and I are going to lift the solar panel on. Hopefully it fits right. Okay, mate? Okay, so that's 3 coats of white gloss paint. It's polyurethane paint, okay, 2-pack. And yeah, it looks okay. So next job, reinstall the brackets for the solar panel, which we have already. I'm waiting on delivery of my second solar panel, hopefully this morning. He didn't say what morning, he just said morning. So that could be next week, who knows. Anyway, yeah, we'll get the first panel installed. So yeah, quite pleased with that. I'll rest my end up here. Okay. Right, let me get under then. Okay. So drop your end in. My fingers. Well, that's the first panel installed. I must say it's looking pretty good. It's come out better than I expected. Okay, first time me and Randy have attempted a project like this. So we're still waiting on delivery of the second panel. So maybe today, maybe mañana. But overall, yeah, it's looking okay. Looking okay. Good job. So Randy's just finishing underneath. There's some parts of the join that never got filled with the resin. So Randy's just going to fill it in with some white silicone. Well guys, as you can see, we've got 2 fully fitted solar panels, 400 watts each. So yeah, that's good. It's turned out better than I thought. Good job. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, that pretty much wraps that up. We can still perform the deck chess, you know, safety checks, etc, etc. Well, this was a turn up for the books. I had a job interview this week via video with a company in Saudi Arabia. It's the first time I've ever done a video link style interview. A little bit daunting. Good experience. Did I get the job? Don't know. But anyway, fingers crossed.
Oh, hello.
Right, eh?
Do you go here often? I need my fork.
Well, you need your cutlery.
Yeah, I thought I already had them out. Ah, they're right there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, right.
In the dish. Oh, hello.
Again. Well, hello there.
Hello.
It's been another busy week this week. As you've seen on the video, Randy and I have managed to finish the Bimmy roof project. We've been on that all week, but it's looking good. Pretty happy with it. We're still to wire it up, but that'll probably happen during the forthcoming dry dock. Aha, yes, so Chasamba is supposedly being hauled out of the water this coming week.
In the middle of the night.
Well, late at night anyway, because of the high tides. So we're looking forward to that, but it's going to be a busy time. So stay tuned for next week's episode. Liz has had a busy week. You've had a couple of job interviews, eh?
Yes.
Right, Liz has 2 interviews.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
2
right.
interviews, yeah.
Well, there's the third one today.
Okay, 3rd one today. And as you see, I had one video job interview. As I said, it's the first time I've done that. We'll see what comes of it. I'm not expecting anything, but anyway. Thanks to all our subscribers.
Thank you.
Special thank you to our Patreon contributors. You know who you are. Thank you very much. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys next week. It's lunch.
Oh.
What's that?